but we're about to see our concierge level room. So here we go.
We have one suitcase. Well, let's see. You ready?
Wow. Cool. Look at mine. Look at Pascal. So cute.
Down there. Katie, this is
A boat.
a boat. The ocean. Hold on. Okay, pull. There you go. Oh, that was so much easier than look at. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that.
Hi.
The castle we close.
Hi.
What else? A Corsicle?
Aunt Katrina's gonna be jealous.
Gosh. Goofy. Look, a hat. Oh. What else? Stop it right now.
Oh, there's Lorcana cards.
And then what else?
Daddy.
Man.
It's one of those where you shake it off in the sand.
You realize
Daddy.
we have 4 of everything.
I know, I saw that.
Daddy.
Mimi's already got her hat.
Mimi's already ready to go.
Daddy,
I got my
I'm
book.
going to miss it.
What am I going to miss? What's happening? Why? What?
It's the one we saw that did. Watch. Watch. There's
John, look at the stationery.
Mom. Is there?
Oh, wow.
And then it opens.
Hey, Dad.
That's cool.
Is there Steve?
Am I thirsty? Oh. We got drinks and drinks and drinks.
We got new
There's Steve.
postcards.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Oh. Did you not know it lit up?
No, because the card wasn't in the last time